This is how to make your very own Chinese dragon dance costume. Here is what you will need: a long piece of material, some glue, paint or glitter, pom-poms and cotton wool balls, colorful crepe paper, felt or colored paper, and some ribbon. Hula hoops to hold the dragon up, and a Milo dragon head box you can find at your local supermarket. It's easy to put together with the instructions on the box. Now the fun part. Be creative and make your very own dragon body with lots of colorful ribbon, glitter, and whatever you can find lying around the house. Glue, stick, sip, cut, punch. Voila! Now it's your turn to make your own Milo dragon. Have fun and happy Chinese New Year!